Number 10.
The Centipede workstand requires no assembly, but sets up in seconds, allowing you to work where you want to and how you want to. The Centipede is lightweight and portable, but still rugged enough for nearly any need around the job site. The Centipede comes with a convenient storage bag, a pair of quick clamps for work holding, and a set of 4 X-cups that work with the swivel P-tops on each strut to hold common 2x lumber on the flat or on edge, getting you up off the ground where you can work safely and comfortably. Optional accessories make the Centipede workstand even more versatile. There's even a set of risers that raise the work height from 30 to 36 inches. The Centipede is available in 4 sizes, and the 6-strut model shown supports 2,500 pounds. The Centipede work support sets up fast, is flexible and strong enough to accommodate whatever the job requires, allowing you to do more with less setup in the shop or on the job site.
Number 9.
Woodpecker's equal space divider takes the math out of the job by instantly positioning 6 lines equidistant from each other at any spacing between 3/4 and 4 inches. Based on the mathematical theory of the parallelogram, the equal space divider works by moving perpendicular to the spaced line, meaning you can draw a crosshatch instead of just a point. Once you have the spacing locked in, you can repeat the pattern as many times as needed for your project. Constructed out of 301 full hard stainless, the equal space divider even comes with a wall-mountable racket for convenient storage. The equal space divider from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.
Number 8.
The PocketJig100 by Milescraft. The smallest, most convenient pocket hole solution from Milescraft comes with the tools you need to get started and finished fast. Don't underestimate this little guy. The single barrel jig is compact, portable, and easy to store. The small size allows you to complete repairs in tight spaces. The jig body is designed with self-measuring and centering marks to help eliminate the need for measuring before drilling in both metric and imperial measurements. A strong rare earth magnet and recessed clamping pocket holds the jig securely to Milescraft face clamps or any other metallic clamps and allows for quick repositioning. The PocketJig100 also includes a 3/8 inch high-speed steel step drill bit and anti-roll depth stop with flat for when you're ready to drill. Each jig is special designed to help clear wood chips from the hole to improve drilling performance. When ready to fasten your screws, use the included 6-inch T20 Torx magnetic driver to complete your projects. And it's great for all pocket hole projects like cabinets, shelves, bookcases, storage projects, and more. Make sure you reach for the Milescraft PocketJig100 the next time you start any pocket hole project.
Number 7. Number 6.
Another option is to use a band clamp, which works well for either small or larger picture frames. This version from Rockler uses a strong nylon band, and it has 4 corner brackets to help more evenly distribute the clamping pressure all the way around the frame and pull all 4 corner joints together at once. 2 of its corner brackets fit into standard T-tracks to help keep the frame aligned, and it ratchets tight to apply strong clamping force. These raised reference points on the corner brackets make it easier to measure across the frame's diagonals to verify squareness.
Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
Introducing the Milwaukee M12 cordless high-performance jigsaw, the most compact high-performance jigsaw in the market. The innovative hybrid grip design combines the best features of top handle and barrel grip style jigsaws to deliver maximum control. The variable speed trigger provides fast and controlled cutting. The saw also features a Milwaukee Quick Lock T-shank blade clamp that offers fast and easy blade changes, and a 45-degree tool-free bevel capacity with 90-degree positive lock for increased versatility. The fully counterbalanced mechanism minimizes vibration, delivering smooth cuts. Features include an LED light, a battery fuel gauge, and a non-marring shoe for work with finish material. And the tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For powerful